How to fix Wahoo Element app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Wahoo Element Companion app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that I recommend you guys to take is simply update the app. So to update the app, go to your app store, simply search for your Wahoo Element Companion, and there we go. My bad, it's Companion. And right here, if you see an update button available, tap on update and update the app. After you update the app, you can come back here, check if the app's working or not. And after it's still not working, and if it does not work, come back here, go to your settings and come to your iPhone storage. Now to navigate to iPhone storage, you'll first need to be on your general. Go to general, go to iPhone storage. Then right here, you should find your Wahoo Element Companion. It's right here. Tap on offload app and offload the app. After you've offloaded the app, you can then reinstall the app, and that should clear out the cache memory of your app. And after it's been cleared, your problem should get fixed as well. And with that, you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.